Replacement filter media. These activated carbon cartridges are made to fit the lift tubes of Muti-Pore and Undergravel, filters, serving as a replacement for when it's time to cycle out aquarium filter media. Chemical filtration. In addition to absorbing ammonia, nitrites, nitrates, and phosphates in a timely manner, these activated carbon cartridges also remove harmful chemicals and toxins, clear up discolorations, and reduce foul odors from your tank. Top-quality activated carbon. These activated carbon cartridges come together in a 2-pack. For best results, replace cartridges every 2 to 4 weeks. They're lightweight, disposable, and are safe for freshwater and saltwater aquariums. Old school. There has been a burst of growth, development, and ingenuity within the aquatic industry, and although we are a part of this as well, we still provide replacement media for undergravel aquarium setups. Shop Penn-Plax for all your pet's needs. Penn-Plax is a manufacturer and distributor of top-quality pet supplies, who specialize in creating excellent pet products for animals, both great and small. Top reviews from the United States. Exact fit. These are my preferred carbon filters for the undergravel system in my tank. They fit as they're supposed to and do the job for which they're intended. It is recommended to replace these filters once a month or so, but I have discovered over many years of having aquariums, that you can let them go longer before replacing. With proper maintenance of the tank, that is, especially with an undergravel filter system. Once your tank starts to look blah and things seem like they're building up, then definitely replace the filters. I will purchase no other filters as long as they continue to make these.